Hello, and welcome to my slideshow presentation on differentiation and engagement. My name is Alana King, and I'm getting my master's at Grand Canyon University in teaching English to speakers of other languages. I've been a teacher since 2002. I currently teach third grade in a town about 20 minutes north of Nashville, Tennessee. What is differentiation? Differentiation is adjusting how you teach and what you teach to present the information to meet the needs of all the students in the classroom. Who benefits from differentiation? Everybody. What is differentiation? When we talk about differentiation, we need to know and understand that all students learn differently. Each brain and every child works differently in the way in which it learns, remembers, understands, and performs. To be able to teach different and to have different instruction allows the brains to make a connection. Neurons get stronger with every connection that is made. With each connection that is made, that same path gets reworked over and over again, and hopefully this information that has been taught can go into the long-term memory. How is this able to be done in the classroom? Teaching using different techniques is an excellent way to reach different learners in your classroom. Using songs that teach information is able to help the sensory memory. For example, in my class, we just learned about the continents and the oceans. For at least 2 weeks beforehand, I would play a video that had a song for the continents and a song for the oceans. They were able to get that in their head and they memorized that, and that went into long-term memory. When they were taking the test, I saw several of them singing the songs, which allowed them to help to recall exactly where each continent and ocean was. Also, you can use different reading levels for the same passage for different reading abilities. In the classroom, we know that we all have students who are above the current grade reading level, at grade reading level, and below grade reading level. Finally, whenever you are teaching, you can use visuals to make sure that you're able to help those who may be limited English speakers or who have trouble comprehension and reading. How can this be done with assessments in the classroom? Well, the assessments can be differentiated depending on the needs of the students. The teacher should make sure that they are following the IEPs and the needs of the students in the classroom. Some students are able to take regular tests. By this I mean that they're able to read it on their own and answer all the questions. Some students may need to have the test modified. They may need to have it read to them and may need to have the distractions eliminated in their choices. Finally, some students may need to have to dictate their answers and have them written down by an adult. What is engagement in the classroom? This is keeping your students actively involved in their learning. The neurons will become stronger and make stronger connections because the students are actually taking part in their learning. How can you have engagement in the classroom? You can have the students get up and move around the room to discuss their ideas with others. You take observation walks outside for science. For example, if you're learning about birds, actually get up and look outside at the different birds and their characteristics. You can work together in groups to collaborate on an assignment. And finally, you can use manipulatives during math or science to better understand what is being taught. I would like to take the time to thank you for taking your time to watch this presentation. Have a wonderful day.